everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me, and I'm going to be starting off this video by just straightening up the kitchen. It was pretty clean for the most part, but I just wanted to get all of the dishes off of the countertops and make sure that I had a nice clean slate to work with before I got dinner started. So for dinner we are using HelloFresh. I have been wanting to use HelloFresh for years now. I just never did it for some reason, but I am very excited to give it a go this week. We are busy people, between Andrew working long hours, me being a stay-at-home mom, but I also do YouTube and we have other things going on. Dinner is something that I just always put on the back burner. HelloFresh offers a wide variety of chef-curated recipes that change weekly. I no longer have to spend a lot of time meal planning, which is one of my least favorite things to do. It stresses me out trying to come up with something that we haven't had in a while, that isn't going to break the bank, and that Andrew is going to like. I also get to try things that I never would have thought to try on my own and get outside of my comfort zone a little bit. Another thing that is my favorite is that I don't have to spend all night in the kitchen because the recipes only take about 30 minutes. And that's really important because sometimes Andrew gets home pretty late and I don't want to spend all night in the kitchen cooking and then cleaning up. I want to spend quality time with him and with Emmy before she goes to bed. For $30 off your first week of HelloFresh, visit HelloFresh.com and enter the code SimpleLife30. The meal that I'm going to try tonight is a super easy one. It's called Little Ears Pasta, and it's a one-pot meal, which are some of my favorites to cook because the cleanup is super minimal. So what I have done is I put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of a pan, and I cooked the broccoli covered until they were tender and a little bit brown. And now I'm going to add in my pork sausage and brown that up a little bit. And I also have the pasta boiling. Then go ahead and put the broccoli back into the pot with the pork sausage and add in the cooked pasta as well. And 1/4 cup of the reserved pasta liquid. And then add in a little package of pasta. I thought the packaging was so cute and it's already pre-measured. It's just so easy. Also add in 1/2 of the packet of Parmesan cheese and give it all a stir, and I also added some salt and pepper to give it a little bit more flavor. Then I topped it off with a little bit of fresh Parmesan and some red chili flakes. Can we pray? Okay, thank you Jesus for our food. Amen. Emerson thoroughly enjoyed her meal. She loved the broccoli and the pasta, and I love that this meal was family friendly as well as being super tasty to me. For the rest of my cleaning, I'm going to just fold up a load of laundry that I had sitting on my bed, and I'm just going to do a really quick and relaxing nighttime cleaning. I've put Emmy to bed and I don't want to spend a whole lot of time cleaning, but I did need to get my bathroom cleaned. It wasn't something that I could do while Emmy was awake, so I'm gonna just knock that out so I can spend the rest of my evening with Andrew once he gets home. As you can see, our life is definitely not perfect and we are messy. Andrew leaves pretty early in the morning for work, so I usually come behind him and clean up the things that he used to get ready with in the morning. This particular day, however, that did not happen until the evening time, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Also, I got ready in kind of a hurry and left my stuff out, so I'll just go ahead and put all that away, and then I'll go ahead and start cleaning the bathroom.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the cook and the clean with me. Don't forget to check out HelloFresh and claim your $30 off of your first week. I will leave that link down in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.